सो जब फैट लॉस की जर्नी चल रही होती है तो कौन से सप्लीमेंट डेफिनेटली उनको इंक्लूड करने चाहिए?
The charlatan science-based yapper was found spewing BS on a podcast hosted by a pseudo-feminist flaunting silicone tits.
So these are the 3 best supplements to burn fat. Number 1 is yohimbine. Number 2 is L-carnitine. Number 3 is caffeine, obviously.
Using yohimbine, L-carnitine and caffeine for fat loss is kinda hilarious. Then why did your so-called buddy pop up clenbuterol pills up his wazoo when he could have actually achieved a lean, mean, dry, grainy frickin' Greek god-like look using L-carnitine, yohimbine and caffeine? That's not how it frickin' works, Akon.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
This AAND Ka Taneja was clearly found bootlicking Dr. Vegas for more frickin' clout. Ain't frickin' surprising because AAND is known for promoting fake natties like Aryan the faggot, Kandari, Shadman the terrorist, Shady, Nitesh the meat flasher, Sony on his frickin' YouTube channel. Frickin' two-faced cocksucker that sold his frickin' soul for more frickin' clout. Bro has made a video with Navjot Sir, aka Mind with Muscle, but is also found deep-throating Kashish Gupta's 3-incher. Cause why? Because he needs more frickin' clout.
किसी एक का तो हो जा भोसड़ी के.
Coming back to this goddamn clip, is yohimbine, L-carnitine and caffeine legit for fat loss? RCTs on yohimbine often show little or no clinically meaningful effect. This meta-analysis on L-carnitine showed no significant effect for waist circumference and body fat percentage. Caffeine might promote weight, BMI and body fat reduction, but even the goddamn scientists are not confident with the caffeine's potency. So for fat loss, you can try hopping on a caloric deficit, walking more, increasing need, clenbuterol, tren, Anavar, and combining them with fat loss drugs like Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, and retatrutide. The last hack will make you rest in peace ASAP. So it's kind of obvious that Akansh, aka AAND Ka Taneja, is scamming his freaking audience. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ. पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए. यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते